Hello workout buddies, today's video is warm up and cool down routine before and after workouts. A very necessary routine for your heart rate, increases blood flow to the muscles and avoid injuries. I focus mainly on lower part, like hamstrings, quads, glutes and calves as we are in a booty building program. A good warm-up will give you more energy to train the main session, and a good cool-down will help your body recover faster. If you are training with kettlebells, dumbbells, ankle weights, or resistance band, do it at least 5 minutes, and if you are training with body weight, 3 minutes is also good to go. If it's the first time you watch this video, we are now in the beginning of a booty building program. If you are also interested, join our team. Tracking progress form will be available in my next workout video, which is booty, hips and thighs workouts, probably 20-25 minutes. So be sure to keep updating the program to train with the latest workout version. Alright, let's start our 5 minutes warm up. Light jog is a good way to start. Slowly increase your speed if you want your heart rate beat faster. If you challenge yourself, you can burn more than 500 calories per hour by just jogging in place. Since we do it 5 minutes non-stop, so save your energy for the upcoming workouts. Five seconds left. 3, 2, and 1. The next one is squat. If you really ask me, does squat grow your glutes? My honest answer is not much. It doesn't grow your glutes as effective as other exercise. However, it's a great workout to target your full lower body, and glutes are also part of that. A combination of squats and other workouts will strengthen your booty and tone your legs. Five seconds left. 3, 2, and 1. The next one is cross knee to elbow. A great workout for your hips, obliques, and core. Tighten your tummy and squeeze your obliques every time you crunch. Doing really well everyone, keep that going. We are slowly getting warm now. 5 seconds more to go. 3, 2, and 1. Front kick toe touch is a bit harder. Try to kick your legs as straight as you can. Cross your arm and reach to the opposite leg. Maintain this workout in 60 seconds. Your back should be in neutral position. I particularly found this workout quite challenging. It's a good way to warm up your entire lower body. Well done, guys. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, and 1. The last workout is quad toe touch. Feet wider than shoulders. Right palm reaches to your left foot. Tighten your tummy and go as fast as you can. I'm sweating by now, but after 5 minutes, then you are ready for 50 minutes booty sculpting. Remember, my focus is on the muscles you are trying to gain. 5 weeks of hard work will pay off and you will be proud of yourself. We are not going to have break in this video because it is two separated parts, the warm-up and the cool down in the end, so I will go straight into the point after this. Five seconds left. 3, 2, and 1. Amazing, guys. Now moving next to the stretch out parts. Well, let's begin with side lunges. Leg stretches as straight as you can. Pause a few seconds to make it more intense, or just hold this position for 30 seconds. Stretch out your calves and hamstrings slowly. We're gonna switch to the other side. 3, 2, and 1. Change. I pause a few times or just go as low as you can. Feel the tension around your inner thighs. Five seconds left. 3, 2, and 1. Next move is a very popular yoga pose. Avoid this move if you have knee or spinal injury. Front knee bend to 90 degrees. Keep the other leg straight and relax. Your back should be straight, hands and head raised up to the ceiling. Hold this position for 30 seconds and remember to squeeze your glutes as hard as you can to tighten them. Three, 2, and 1. We switch to the other side. Five seconds left. 3, 2, and 1. Next move is hamstring stretch. Both hands hold one foot, lean forward to keep you balanced. It should feel relaxed, not tense. Three, 2, 1, and switch to the other leg. Pull your leg out as hard as you can and both hands try to pull them back. This motion creates a tension around your glutes, so take advantage of it and squeeze your glutes to make the contraction more effective. Five seconds left. 3, 2, and 1. Moving next is low lunges. With this move, the straight legs rest completely on the floor. After 15 minutes of training, your booty muscles will be happy with this move. Head and hands up to the ceiling, tighten your core. Doing really well, guys. 5 seconds left for me. 3, 2, and 1. The last move is Pigeon Pose. Bring your right knee forwards towards your right wrist. Slide your left leg back and point your toes. Scissor your hips together by drawing your legs in towards each other. Hold this position for 30 seconds left and you can rest. 3, 2, and 1. Amazing, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Add this routine to your before and after training routine. Also feel free to add your favorite workout too. Everyone stay fit and healthy, and I'll see you real soon in my next workout video. Bye!